बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम टसर रॉ सिल्क साड़ी. This is pastel pink with coffee combination. The beautiful and rich design, all time demanding design. Upper and lower both borders are equal and same with a rich pallu, fully kadwa woven motifs. This is the whole look of the sari. Silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari. This is tussar color with coffee combination. Silk marked certified. Weaved in pure antique zari. Upper and lower both borders are same with a rich pallu. This is the blouse piece. Starting to end you will get these motifs in kadwa woven, silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom Dupian raw silk, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari. This is bright mustard gold color, a very demanding shade with the rich pallu, and this is the blouse piece, silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, black with olive yellow color combination. You can see the beautiful sari. With the fully kadwa woven motifs. This is the blouse piece. Banarsi pure handloom tussar dyeable sarees, tussar raw silks, weaved in pure antique zari. Extremely beautiful combination. This is deep garnet color, deep coffee wine color. With upper and lower both side you will get these buttas and rich pallu in meenakari, and this comes the blouse piece. Silk marked certified. Banarsi tussar dyeable raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is tussar color with garnet color blouse piece, deep coffee wine color. Upper and lower both sides you will get these buttas with the meenakari pallu and lining pattern. This is the look of the sari with the blouse piece, silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is olive mustard color. This is slightly greenish mustard with deep bottle green blouse, silk marked certified sari. Upper and lower both borders are same with the kadwa weave woven booties. This is the rich pallu, and this comes the blouse piece in bottle green. This is the whole look of the sari. From starting to end you will get these motifs. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, deep black shade, weaved in pure antique zari, kadwa woven with the purplish wine color blouse. Very beautiful combination. With the rich pallu, and this comes the blouse piece. Whole sari from starting to end you will get this lehriya pattern. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is deep bottle green with mustard gold blouse. The most demanding combinations. This is butta pattern and lining, and this is the rich pallu of the sari with the blouse piece, silk marked certified. Extremely beautiful shade of tussar raw silk Banarasi, weaved in pure antique zari, silk marked certified, fully kadwa woven, pink with red combination, baby pink with red combination. Upper and lower both borders will be same in the lehriya pattern. This is the rich pallu, and this comes the blouse piece. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is light grey color with pinkish wine blouse. Upper and lower both borders will be same in lehriya pattern with the rich pallu, and this comes the blouse piece. Whole sari from starting to end have these kadwa weaved booties. Banarsi pure handloom Dupian raw silk, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari in borderless patterns. Sea green with purple blouse. The rich pallu. Upper and lower both borders are same with the purple blouse. Banarsi pure handloom Dupian raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari in borderless patterns. A beautiful maroon shade. Upper and lower both borders will be same, and this is the meenakari pallu. The whole look of the sari with the blouse piece in black. This is the look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk, silk marked certified. This is deep mustard gold color. Upper and lower both borders are same, fully kadiyal weaved. This is the rich pallu, This comes the blouse piece in red. Same border as sari. This is the look of the whole sari. Banarasi pure handloom tussar raw silk, silk marked certified. The most demanding design in tussar raw silk. All time pre-booked. Upper and lower both borders will be same, with the beautiful and rich pallu, and this comes the blouse piece in deep chocolate color.